What's up, everybody? Okay, I'm super excited for today because what? We are out of the house. Yes, I'm at one of my favorite stores in LA, the RealReal, and I'm about to take on a pretty dope fashion challenge. Do you think that I can walk around this store and put together an entire outfit? I'm talking accessories, shoes, bags, sunglasses, all that good stuff in less than 30 minutes. Well, we're about to find out if I can actually do it. Thank you to the RealReal for sponsoring this video. Come on, let's go. Now, for some of you that don't know what the RealReal is, okay, I'm about to put you on. I actually talked about this in my video where I showed you my collection of bags, and I told you how much I love this luxury consignment store. Not only is it a store, it's an app and it's a website. My husband's actually addicted to the app on a whole other level. I benefit because I get amazing bags from his addiction. But, okay, literally they sell name brands. This says Gucci here, but you're not just getting Gucci, you're getting Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga. I'm like looking around, I see Christian Dior, so many things, like even Chanel bags, you guys. But the dope thing is you can get stuff up to 90% less than the retail price. How amazing is that? Are you not understanding why I love this place so much? Fun fact, Israel and I actually consign a lot of our luxury items. So you literally can come into the store, and the dopest thing is that they have an entire team of experts that authenticate the fact that, like, oh, this is a real Chanel. This is a real Gucci bag. Now, what makes that dope is not only is it dope because I consign my pieces, but like when I'm purchasing stuff here, I know that it's the real deal. So now that you know what's up, let's say the clock starts now. Oh, but I want everything, that's the problem. Okay, you guys, this is like one of the most coveted items. It's the Christian Dior saddle bag. Is that what it's called? It sounds weird to call it a saddle bag, like saddle bags. Not that kind of saddle bag, it's a saddle bag. Okay, main label, off-white, Virgil Abloh, major. That's super cute. Oh my God, how cute is this purse? Gucci, Louis. And sometimes you really want like vintage pieces. Vintage pieces are actually technically considered more valuable because no one else is gonna be rocking it, and you're gonna be like the only one that has that like Louis Vuitton bag, which is so dope. This is vintage Versace. Oh, definitely trying this on. It is super hard to find my size in stores, but what's awesome is that a lot of these are European brands, and it also says that this is my section right here. Extra small, small, they make it easy. So I know that this is where I'm gonna be at. I really want that Christian Dior bag. That was on my wish list last summer. Yes, come through Prada. How dope is that? I don't know what this goes with, but I'm gonna hold on to it. How amazing is that? Ooh, hello. How quickly can I actually get this done is the question. Currently, I have no idea what look I'm going for. This may end up being very casual, a pair of jeans and a cute little situation, or I might be going to a quinceañera or a red carpet event. I have no idea. Comment below which one you think I'm gonna go with. But you can't comment at the end when you already know. Comment like now, be honest, be truthful. Man, this is so dope. This is a bathing suit cover-up. This is a shirt. This is lingerie. This is anything and everything I want it to be. I would live in this shirt. Okay, so I put down some of my pieces and I'm still going. I'm still looking. Okay. Ooh. All right. Not gonna lie, the dress section is definitely my weakness. Oh, this is so, look at this Balmain dress. Check out the Balmain. In the comments below, yay or nay. I live for sequins to be like this. I feel like, granted, putting this on right now with my hair and makeup is going to look horrendous, but imagine like a super simple makeup, hair pulled back, this could be amazing. I feel the same way about this hot pink situation. I don't even know what brand it is, but I feel like it's necessary for me to try it on. You guys know that I don't like to just like spend money recklessly, but I do love fashion and I love being knowledgeable about dope high-end brands. So I love to read like high-end fashion magazines. So like when I come into a store like this, I'm like, yes, these are all my dreams coming true and I don't have to pay full price. Wow. Okay, this room definitely puts my bag collection to shame. Those are Birkin bags over there. I've never owned a Birkin bag. If I was ever going to buy a Birkin bag, I am not buying it full price. No, that's what's not gonna happen. And actually, Israel was asking me if I wanted one for my birthday, and now that I'm seeing one here, let's check it out. I was about to be like, how do they just have these out here? No, it's locked up. I was about to be like, no, I'm just kidding. That is a luxury item, people. Just saying, that's a major investment. I could sit here in the store and just read the walls all day long for fashion history. Literally, that's why I went to Paris to go to school. But the clock is ticking and I need to hurry up. So what bags would go with my outfits? I'm definitely gonna need somebody to come help me because this YSL is calling my name. Ooh, but wait, this balance. Oh, I lied. Prada, green Prada. I feel like that is just like a dope statement piece. You've got a Balenciaga bag. This is very cheatalicious. I'm not stealing, I swear. Walk away slowly. Walk away very, very slowly. That was me. Sorry. Can we just have a moment for this stunning Chanel diamond ball? So a lot of you may know that I love collecting Chanel because of my cheetah girl name. Chuchi forever, people. It's a problem. I need to see this. Oh, boom. What? That's amazing. I see you in my future. Okay, I'm not doing as good as I thought I would be doing with time because I'm getting caught up in all these amazing pieces. We're gonna head on over to shoes. First of all, it's a very innovative store. You literally can look through everything that they have right here. Like women's shoes, Gucci. Let's search. How awesome is this? And they literally show you everything. I need these Gucci boots. You know that I have a super teeny tiny foot, so I do see that this is in a 5. So I definitely want to try these on. And how cute are these little Manolos? I'll try her on too. These Christian Dior's will do for the dressy things. Now I'm trying to speed it up, people. I'm trying to speed it up. Now I think I kind of got all the pieces. Now it's just actually putting it together in the dressing room. So let's do this. Okay, not gonna lie, kind of obsessed. Not sure if I found the right shoes, but I don't know what Australian accent I just got, but we need a little push up in this situation, but that's nothing, a little tape won't help. Can we please? I would wear this to a red carpet event. I would wear this to a friend's birthday. I would wear this for a theme party that's just like a Casino Royale or like, I don't know, it's just so badass. Kind of obsessed. But the problem is, the challenge was to find an entire outfit. I'm talking purse, shoes, and I didn't find the right shoes that go with this. So on to the next. Okay, I'm obsessed with this, and I definitely feel like Israel would have to be so rock and roll mode that night because I look like a rocker's girlfriend. Just saying. Again, the problem is my shoes. I'm confused as to what my outfit is right now. They're not all gonna be winners, okay? This is how it really goes in the dressing room. Not the best fit on me. My shoes are a little big. This is not it. Okay. I am head to toe luxury high fashion brands. She's popping. Like, I just feel like Like, but what's dope about it is that it doesn't even look like it's still casual, but it's still so fly. These shoes are ridiculously comfortable. I think they are Gucci or Chanel. The bag is what? Fendi child. The glasses are chrome hearts. Yes, that is a security tag there because we're not trying to steal them. The jacket is off-white, Virgil Abloh vibes. And the dress is Versace, 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 Versace. I could actually dress up this Versace dress or dress it down the way I'm wearing it right now. And I'm just saying, these are like all the accessories that you possibly could put. Hashtag OOTD. Kelly, what's the time? Okay, you're saying it's 31 minutes now, but technically I was ready to go at 28 minutes. I was just struggling with my button. So I just did that in 28 minutes. Boom. Thank you very much. So make sure you click the link in the description below because guess what? You can get $25 off of your first order from The RealReal. How amazing is that? Thanks to The RealReal for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me run around and try on a bunch of stuff. This is literally shopping with Adrienne. Would you like to see more of it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week.